Yo, today is the hottest day I've felt in Miami in a long time. We're gonna go over to the local park today and have a look to see if there's any riders. Sometimes the riders congregate over here, and we're gonna go take a quick look see. I'm worried about my rear brake pads. They need to be replaced, so I ain't gonna be doing too much of the wheelies. The wee-wees. Oh, what's this? The security? Safe side. If it is. Whoa, it's a big ass hole there. Jesus Christ. Like, it's like foggy. Is that smoke? Like out in the distance I see like a little bit of a haze. They said there was going to be severe weather today, that it was going to be raining and a hurricane was going to pass by or something. What is this? Why is that there? The only reason that would be there is in case one of those drones hit a tree or something. Car's kind of in the way. Looks like they're going to bring up a carnival here. Bike knows no bounds. Off-road doesn't matter. I'm like 2 months without riding, so this might be really terrible. Let's find out. And my left leg hurts a little bit. It's not as bad as I thought. 2 months off. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Oh crap! Some drone just flew right in front of me. Well, I know I hit the tree now. Foreshadowing for sure. Foreshadowing. I don't know where the driver of this thing is, but I'll give him a show, huh? There's two of them. That might be him, I don't know. Where'd they go? I lost him. He chased by drivers. Ah! There's two of them and they surprised me. They were coming out of nowhere. The kids are kind of in my way over here. Trying to do a hand thing, but messed that up real bad. I'm blind. Almost stopping distance. Oh God. And that's when my brake pads were worn out. I was like dragging the brake most of the time. Woo. I'm breathing hard. Breathing hard. Oh, hey. Do the thing. Do the thing. What's up, bro? Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah. I got an R6.
You got an R6 at home? Delivered. Yeah, those bikes are a bitch to wheelie in. Yeah, there's a 400. It's smaller.
Oh yeah.
So it's a little easier. 600s are fucking hard to wheelie.
Yeah, they want to get out your hand.
Yeah, no, if you don't bring it up like to 12 right away, it speed up too much and then like you lose control. Like it goes crazy. Even this one's got a little twitch to it. I gotta bring it up to 12 right away. If not, it'll start to speed up and it gets on crazy. There go 12. There go 12. 12. I said there go 12 right there. He saw you? He's parking right there. Yeah. A lot of them, two of them. I saw one park right now. Thank you. Bro, do you know what that looks like? I want to know what I look like from the outside. I talked to the guy with the drone. It was pretty cool. He's got a little YouTube channel that I subscribe to. It's pretty cool. What the heck is that? Who needs adventure bikes? I don't need one. I got my regular street bike that goes off-road. Well, most adventure bikes are almost the same thing. Almost. It's got like an extra 2 inches suspension. It really makes a difference. And the bash plate. I'm not going to talk crap. I actually need a bash plate. Dual sport action. Oh, I remember this place is a dead end. This tree here took out my back. I almost don't even want to go through it. My like, look at that. My mirror can't even clear that. I mean that because there's some weird people that hang out here sometimes. This is a nice little spot. I like playing here. But yeah, there's some like weirdos that hang out here at night that do voodoo and such. So they just they do the weird stuff. Look at this dude. Whoa. Whoa. Who needs an adventure bike? I don't. My bike's overheating over here. Go through the bushes. Oh, there's coconut stuff there. That was witchcraft, whatever that was. Somebody dropped something there. When you explore through these places, you find all kinds of stuff. Snakes, alligators, could be anything you can find out here. I don't know how many times I fucking... Oh, damn, look at the size of that thing. It's been dry. It's kind of rough around here, though. Somebody. Ooh. At some point, because you can see the marks on the ground. There was a truck that passed by here not too long ago, I guess. Well, we're just gonna hill climb this. Probably the camera doesn't show it, but it's could be pretty steep. Whoa. Somebody came up here. Oh, it's a buggy. A four-wheeler came up here one time. I'm gonna go down just a little bit to hide. If you're like down here, they don't notice you. Ooh, oh. Did I go through there? Oh no, I went through over there. I was gonna say that's deep if you stay on this side. That's a mysterious bag. What's that? Yo. Imagine you came full speed, didn't see this hole, and just like boinked it. Oh, I gotta be careful, Yo, calm down. See, this is exactly what? Right there. Damn, who the hell dumped all these things here? It's a perfectly good hiding spot. It smells a little funny back here. Could be on the count of that strange brown bag there. Right? I'm assuming there's something wet and uncomfortable. There's a chicken in that bag. I can see feathers. So there is witchcraft. Well, why they throw witchcraft here? This isn't a forest. This is like a pretend forest. That's witchcraft too. That weird. There's 4 trees here. You're supposed to. Alright, I know a little bit about it because I'm from South Florida. You're supposed to throw the witchcraft like in a forest, but this is not a forest. There's like 5 trees here. Come on. Well, not that many, but like this is not a forest. Come on. It's weird. I guess they have nowhere else to throw it because they live in the city and they're like out here trying to do Santeria witchcraft. I ran over something with my bike. Just smells off. I'm not sure what the fuck.